Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Meridian Auto assembles two speakers model through one identical finishing operation. So they're using one machinery or one process. All direct material are added at the start. It means material are 100% completed almost immediately as we start the process. Conversion is added evenly. This period, 500 pulse unit remain in working and in process. 40% completed as to conversion. Direct material are $36 per unit and conversion cost is $8 per equivalent unit. What's the cost of pulses ending work in process? So what do we have as ending work in process? We still have 500 unit and ending work in process. Okay, 500 unit, those 500 unit would include both material and conversion cost. Well, we are told the material is added at the beginning of the process. It means for those 500 unit, the $36 direct material is applied immediately. It means if we take $500 times 36, we'll have $18,000. That's the material cost. Then as far as the conversion cost, the remain and ending in work in process, 40% complete. 40% complete means what? It means we have 500 unit times 40% complete. That's what's the equivalent unit multiplied by 0.4. That's 200 times $8. That is 1,600. So this is the conversion cost. This is the direct material. When we add them up, they are up to 19,600. So you have to be careful when you are told material are added at the beginning or at the start of the process. It means 100% completed. However, the conversion cost, they could tell you it's evenly. If it's evenly, it means if they say evenly, it's 50%. Here we are told it's completed 40%. Sometimes they may tell you the conversion cost is added at the beginning of the process and the material is spread evenly, or we are 60% completed as to material. You have to read those problems very carefully. Now, whether you are an accounting student, CPA exam candidate, CMA exam candidate, if you're taking this quiz on Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer. Basically, it will explain the correct answer and create a similar MCQ to help you practice more. Here's what I can tell you. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, cases, simulations, multiple choice, AI resources. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.